Hi, welcome my dear students. Today's class on transformations 4, right? We are going to discuss some other very different and important star marked problems. On that part, we have the first problem here. If ABC are angles of a triangle, prove that sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C is equal to 4 sine A sine B sine C, right? This is the problem. See how beautifully we are going to solve this particular problem. My dear students, they given that here A, B, C are angles of the triangle. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, right? Wonderful. From that, we are going to derive many things like from this what we can say is A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C, like this, right? And B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A, like this, right? In that way we will be okay. Even A plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus B, like this, right? In this way we are having these things, right, my dear students? Wonderful. Now let us take our left hand side part. This is equal to now sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C. This is what we are having, like this. Now you take these two, right? Sine 2A plus sine 2B, right? This is equal to what we are going to get. So let us apply sine C plus sine D formula, my dear students, here. If you apply sine C plus sine D, this is nothing but 2 sine C plus D by 2. That is 2A plus 2B by 2. 2 if you take common, 2 will cancel. 2 sine of A plus B. 2 sine C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That is nothing but 2A minus 2B by 2. The 2 will be cancelled, of course. Cos of A minus B you are having here. Plus sine 2C. This sine 2C we can write it as 2 sine C cos C. We can write this as 2 sine C cos C. Now you see, my dear student, I told you already that 2 sine of A plus B we can write as 180 degrees minus C. 180 degrees minus C cos of A minus B, like this. Plus 2 sine C cos C. See how beautifully we are going to get our result. We need to prove sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C is equal to 4 sine A sine B sine C. Right? For that what we did like this, and we taken these two and we applied sine C plus sine D formula. We got this now. Now 2 sine 180 degrees minus C. Sine of 180 degrees minus theta, that become sine theta. Therefore this become 2 sine C cos of A minus B plus 2 sine C cos C, like this. Now 2 sine C if you take common here, like this. 2 sine C if you take common. Now what you are going to get? Cos A minus B plus cos C, like this, right? Plus cos C. Wonderful. Now this is equal to, you see, my dear students, once we have got this, this is now 2 sine C cos A minus B, right, plus cos C. Here we know that A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. From this, C is equal to 180 degrees minus of A plus B. You are going to get C equal to 180 degrees minus of A plus B, like this. Now this is cos C. C is nothing but 180 degrees minus of A plus B, like this, right? Now this is 2 sine C into cos A minus B. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. That is now minus cos of A plus B, like this. You are having the thing like this. 2 sine C, this equal to now 2 sine C into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. We know the formula, right, my dear students? Yeah, that is nothing but 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B. See how beautifully we have got now. 2 into 2, 4. You have got now, this is sine A, this is sine B, and this is sine C, like this. You have taken left hand side and beautifully have got the right hand side part, like this. Right? See how beautifully we have got these type of problems, my dear students. These are very, very, very important for this, right? Please try to observe, right, how we are doing. It's a simple mechanism what we have. Now we are going to do one more problem. You please observe. Now see the second problem, my dear students. This is the second problem. If A, B, C are angles of a triangle, prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C is equal to 4 cos A cos B sin C. That means here they given that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, and we know that the same thing, A plus B is 180 degrees minus C, B plus C is 180 degrees minus A, and A plus C is 180 degrees minus C. And C equal to 180 degrees minus A plus B, because A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. And here our problem is, my dear students, we are having here sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. Sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. Therefore, the same thing, sin C plus sin D formula we apply. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2A plus 2B by 2. 2 will cancel. Cos C minus D by 2. 2A minus 2B by 2. This minus 2 sin C cos C, like this. Right, now this become A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Therefore, 2 sin of 180 minus C cos A minus B minus 2 sin C cos C, like this. This is however same thing, 180 minus C, sin 180 minus C is sin C, 2 sin C cos A minus B plus, it is not plus here, this is actually minus 2 sin C cos C, like this, right? Fine. Now we have taken here 2 sin C common, and you will be having cos A minus B minus cos C, like this, right? Very good. And this is also here minus symbol we have here. And cos of 180 minus theta, the same steps, first problem steps, I am just transforming them. Cos of 180 degrees minus theta become minus cos theta, this minus minus become plus here, of course. Now you have got 2 sin C cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. That means the formula is nothing but, this is nothing but, okay, 2 sin C into 2 cos A cos B. This is 2 cos A cos B, like this. Now 2 into 2, 4. This is now cos A cos B sin C. Such a beautiful way we have got. See, this is what the right hand side part we require to prove. Okay, for the first problem, there is only the change is minus here. That minus is reflected in every step. According to that, we have got here minus cos C and minus cos of 180 degrees minus A plus B. Right? Okay, my dear students, this is what we have got here. You see, my dear students, here cos A minus B minus cos C. This is now cos A minus B minus cos of 180 degrees minus A plus B. Cos A minus B plus of cos A plus B, this. That means cos A minus B plus cos A plus B is nothing but 2 cos A cos B. That is 2 into 2, 4 cos A cos B sin C. That is what the right hand side part. We have taken the left hand side and we got the right hand side part. Such a beautiful way, right, my dear students? Fine. Now see, my dear students, we have a nice another beautiful problem. The third one, if ABC are angles of a triangle, prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to minus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 1. Right? Minus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 1. Okay, how we are going to do that is nothing but in the same way here. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees is given. A plus B equal to 180 minus C. B plus C equal to 180 degrees minus A. And A plus C equal to 180 degrees minus B. Right? Now see, my dear students, here also what we do is, let us take the left hand side part. That is nothing but cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Like this. Now this is cos C plus cos D. That is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 means 2A plus 2B by 2. That is now 2 cos A plus B. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That is nothing but 2A minus 2B by 2. That is now A minus B. Plus cos 2C we are having here, like this. Right? Now see, my dear students, cos C plus cos D we applied 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus cos 2C we have here, like this. That's nice. Now you know that actually we told you that 2 cos of A plus B. A plus B is what? 180 degrees minus C. 180 degrees minus C into cos of A minus B. Okay, plus 2 cos 2C, like this. Cos 2C we have got like this. Now this is what we have here. Cos 180 degrees minus C is minus cos C. That is now minus 2 cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos 2C is nothing but 2 cos square C minus 1, like this. Now you can take here, right, in this Minus 2 cos c is common. Let us take minus 2 cos c as common. Once we take this as common, we have here cos a minus b. We have here cos a minus b minus cos c and minus 1, like this we have here, like this, right? You see, my dear students, now once we have got this, this is now minus 2 cos c into cos a minus b minus cos c, like this. Cos of c, c is nothing but what? 180 degrees minus a plus b. 180 degrees minus a plus b, we know that already, and minus 1, like this. Minus 2 cos c, this is now cos of a minus b minus cos 180 minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. Therefore, this becomes plus, minus into minus plus, cos a plus b minus 1, like this. Now minus 2 cos c, cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, that is 2 cos a cos b, right? 2 cos a cos b minus 1, like this. Now this is minus 4 into cos a cos b cos c minus 1. Such a beautiful way we have got the right hand side part. You have taken, see my dear students, the left hand side part like this, and you have got the right hand side part in the same way, right? Such a beautiful way we have got the right hand side part also. You please observe, my dear students. Now see this fourth problem, my dear students. That is what the same way before we have first problem sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c, but we are having here sin a plus sin b plus sin c. That is only the difference. Here fourth one, if ABC are angles of a triangle, then prove that sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Right? How we are going to do this also, you see my dear students, if we have a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, right? Fine. Okay, and we are going to get different things that from this. See, this is from this a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2, that is 90 degrees you are having here. From this a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus c by 2, right? And like that. Similarly, a plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus b by 2, and a plus now b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus a by 2, like this, right? Different things we are going. Now in the same way we are going to prove. See, let us take the left hand side part, my dear students. Here this is what sin a plus sin b plus sin c we are having here, like this. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c, this is what we are having here. If you take sin a plus sin b, that is now 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a plus b by 2, okay, cos a minus b by 2, this is now cos a minus b by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and this is sin c we can write as 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2, like this, 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. And I told you that, my dear student, a plus b by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees minus c by 2. That means 2 into sine 90 degrees minus c by 2, like this, into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2 you have here, like this. Now 2 sin 90 degrees minus theta, that become 2 cos theta, that is 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2, like this. Now you have here 2 cos c by 2. This if you take common, 2 cos c by 2. This if you take common, what you will get? Cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 plus, right, sin c by 2, right? Sin c by 2 you are getting, like this. Wonderful. Once you got this sin c by 2, my dear student, this you can write as 2 cos c by 2 into, this is what, cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. And you know that a plus b plus c by 2 equal to 90 degrees, my dear student. From that, c by 2 equal to 90 minus a plus b by 2, right? Sin of c by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees minus a plus b by 2, like this. 2 cos c by 2. This is nothing but cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin 90 minus theta. That is what? Cos theta. That means now cos of a plus b by 2. Cos of a plus b by 2. Now this is 2 cos c by 2. Cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos a by 2 minus b by 2. This is nothing but 2 cos a by 2. Cos b by 2, like this. 2 cos a by 2, cos b by 2 into 2, now 4. 4 into now cos a by 2, cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Such a beautiful way we have got the right hand side part. See, my dear students, like this you will be doing this particular problem, right? Wonderful. That's a beautiful way you have got this particular problem. Please observe, my dear students. Like that we have even cos a plus cos b plus cos c also. Okay, I think you can solve that in your own way. See, now we have another problem, that is if A, B, C are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. See, my dear students, how we will do this particular problem even like. See the solution part the same way we have here A plus B plus C equal to 180. A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 90. A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. A plus C by 2 is 90 minus B by 2. B plus C by 2 equal to 90 degrees minus A by 2, like this, right? How we are going to do this particular problem, my dear students? We have here, let us take the left hand side part, that is what? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C, like this. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C, like this. Right, my dear students, wonderful. This is now same way we are going to do cos A plus cos B, that is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus, right, cos C. You are having here cos C, like this, right? This is now 2 cos A plus B by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus cos C, like this. Now this equal to 2 cos 90 minus, that is now 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus cos C. Cos C is nothing but we can write, we have 4 formulas. One formula I will write 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, like this. Right? Wonderful. Now 2 sin C by 2 I will take common here, like this. 2 sin C by 2. If we take common, this what we are going to get, cos A minus B by 2 here. Here minus 2 sin C by 2, if you take common here, sin C by 2 you are going to have. Plus 1, like this, right? This now this is equal to 2 sin C by 2 into, this is now cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2 is nothing but sin 90 degrees minus of A plus B by 2, like this, plus 1, like this, right? Wonderful. Now this is 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. This is cos of A minus B by 2, my dear students. Minus sin 90 minus theta become cos theta. This is now cos of A plus B by 2 plus 1, like this. Alright. Now this is 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2. That is nothing but 2 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 plus 1, right? Now this is 2 into 2, 4. 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 plus 1, like this, right? We have got this as now 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 plus 1, right? Such a beautiful way we have got. Now we took the left hand side and we got the right hand side with the same process what we are doing, right, my dear students? You please observe, that's why I am giving different kinds of problems to you for your understanding purpose, right? Fine. Now see this particular problem, my dear student, the sixth one. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then show that sine square a plus sine square b plus sine square c is equal to 1 minus 2 sine a sine b sine c. Right? How we are going to do? You see, my dear students, this right? If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2 here, of course, right? Then we need to prove this part. See how we are going to do this particular problem, right, my dear students? They given that in the same way here, a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2 means 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to pi. Just multiply like that. 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to pi. See how we are going to do. Let us take this left hand side part, my dear students. Here sine square a, we know that already sine square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, like this. Sine square a is nothing but 1 minus cos 2a by 2 plus this is 1 minus cos 2b by 2 plus 1 minus cos 2c by 2, like this, right? Very good. Now 1 by 2, if you take common, my dear students, from this is now 3 minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 minus of, you are having cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, like this, right? You know that a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2 means, my dear students, you know that 2a plus 2b plus 2c. 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to pi, like this. 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to pi. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus of cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, right? This is what we are having here. That how we are going to do, right? Okay. Yeah, wonderful. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. How we are going to do, that's what we will derive now, right? You know that cos 2a plus cos 2b, we can apply cos c plus cos d formula once again the same way, like cos c plus cos d is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means 2 cos a plus b. 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. That means cos of a minus b plus cos 2c you are having, like this, right? Fine. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus of 2 times of, right, cos of a plus b. You know that a plus b equal to pi by 2 minus c. That is pi by 2 minus c. You are having like this into cos a minus b plus cos 2c. We know that that is nothing but 1 minus 2 sine square c. That we can write as, however, 1 minus 2 sine square c, right? In terms of this, 1 minus 2 sine square c, like this. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus of cos 90 minus c is nothing but sine c. 2 sine c cos a minus b minus 2 sine square c minus 2 sine square c plus 1, like this, right? Fine. Once we have got the thing like this, my dear students, you got this. This is now 1 by 2 into 3 minus of 2 sine c, we can take common here. Once if you take 2 sine c common here, this is now cos a minus b minus sine c. Sine c you are having here plus 1, like this. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus of 2 sine c into cos a minus b minus sine c you are having here. C you can write as sine of pi by 2 minus a plus b, right? Pi by 2 minus of a plus b, like this, plus 1, like this. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2 sine c. You have cos a minus b minus cos of a plus b, right? Plus 1, like this. Sine 90 minus theta, right? This is what you are having here, like this. See, my dear students, that part. Wonderful. Now this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus 2 sine c, right? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, that is nothing but 2 sine a sine b. 2 sine a sine b plus 1, like this, right? Right? This is what we are having here, like this. Right, this total actually you will have here, this is for the total thing like this. Now 1 by 2 into, right, 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 sine A, sine B, sine C minus 1 like this. Right, this is for total, this is for total, plus 1 also you are having, for plus 1 also you are having like this, because for this total, right. Now this is of course very simple, right, my dear students. 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 if you take common, okay. Yeah, this is now 2 minus 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. Sine A, sine B, sine C, like this. Now 2 you can take common, and if you cancel that, what you will be getting? 2 you take common, and here 2 will cancel. 1 minus 2 sine A, sine B, sine C. Such a beautiful way you have got your result, right hand side part. Right, my dear students, in this way you will be doing this type of problems very simple, elegant, and nicely we can do. Okay, my dear students, fine. Okay, we have discussed nearly 6 model problems, and in tomorrow's class we will completely discuss other models also. Thank you very much, students. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please share to your friends, like it, and okay, thank you.